This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. True log 3-bedroom/2-bath cabin being sold mostly furnished. Well-maintained home with great floor plan and over 1,200 square feet of deck on 2 levels. Open living/kitchen area featuring a wood-burning fireplace and all-wood interior. Country kitchen with stainless steel appliances, live-edge counters, farmhouse sink, and shaker-style cabinets. Granite counters in both bathrooms. Upgraded lighting and fans throughout. 2-car carport and plenty of parking for your guests. Incredible sunsets and mountain views, and with a little tree trimming you could have year-round mountain views. Centrally located between Blue Ridge and Ellijay and close to Blue Ridge Lake, Benton MacKaye Trail for hiking, rich mountain wilderness area and Rock Creek. It would make a great short-term rental. For more information